Students, today I am going to show you how to represent the irrational numbers on the number line. That means root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 7s, how you will present on the number line. So before that we should know what do you mean by Pythagoras theorem. We know in Pythagoras theorem the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the perpendicular and base. If I will present on them on the right angle triangle, this one is a right angle triangle. Here this one is what base and this one is perpendicular, then this one will be hypotenuse. Opposite side of the 90 degree is called what? Hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, this is h square equals to p square plus b square. Then only h equals to square root of p square plus b square. So by applying this formula or theorem, we can represent root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line. See here. How? You know, if the base will be 1 and the perpendicular will be 1, then what will happen? In the place of perpendicular we can put 1 square, and in the b square place we can write 1 square. Then this one will what? 1 square plus 1 square. Then this is 1 plus 1 square root. Then this one will what? 2 under root 2. That means if you want to find square root, then both the side of the right angle triangle should be 1 and 1. 1 means what? It is not like that 1 inch, 1 feet, 1 meter or 1 centimeter, but it should be one unit value and both should be what? Equal. Then only we will get what? Root 2. So I am going to show you now same thing here on the number line. That means I am going to plot the square root of 2 on the number line. So here with the help of scale we can draw one number line, straight line. Now this is O. This is what initial point, that is starting point is O. So from here with the help of compass you have to cut the length of the unit distance. That is what, if I are taking this much, then on the base also and perpendicular also we have to take both. So I have taken like this one side, so this one will be what? For example 1. This distance is called unit distance, that is what? 1. So here I will take it is 1. Suppose this one will be m. OM is 1, that is unit distance. So here I have to make one right angle triangle. So here need to be constructed what? Right angle, that is 90 degree. So with the help of compass I have to make. But here it is pencil, so I have to use what? Marker as a compass. So while constructing the 90 degree, I will take the base arc from this side, because I am going to plot the root 2, root 3 from this side. So here this side I have to take it. This is what? First arc. Without changing it, first arc, second arc. This is 60, this is 120. In between if I will bisect, then I will get what? 90 degree. So with the help of compass only have to construct. Then if I'll extend this one will be what? Mine 90 degree. Now OM is the base as one distance or length. Now same length should be cut on the perpendicular itself. So here I have not changed the distance, so here I will cut it 1. That's why this is 1. So I can write perpendicular as 1. Now this one will be base 1 and this one will be ON is the perpendicular. I have now, this is one right angle triangle, that is what? OMN or MON. MON is one right angle triangle, which is, this is 90 degree. So this one is 1, this one is 1. So the hypotenuse definitely MN will be root 2. Just before I have shown you. So here MN equals to root 2. So I can write here this is a root 2. So I can write same root 2 here on the number line. Now this is hypotenuse. MN is not on the line itself. That length we have to present on the number line. So we have to measure by the compass the length of MN, and from O I can cut it on the number line. So my point will come here, for example. Then this one will be what? A. So here from O to A, this is root 2. and here mn equals to root 2. Mn is here height or hypotenuse, and OA is what? Root 2. Value of OA is what? Root 2 here. Now, if you'll see here in a right angle triangle, if the base is root 2 and the perpendicular is 1, then the hypotenuse will be what? Root 3. How? Just check it. Here, this is hypotenuse, h equals to p square plus b square. So in the place of p I will put 1, in the place of b I will put root 2. So here this one will be square, this one will be also square. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is only 2, then square root. So 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now this one become what? Root 3. So if the base is root 2 and the perpendicular is 1, then I will get the value of a root 3 as a hypotenuse. So here from O to A, this is base, that is what? Root 2. That is what? Mn and OA. So O to A it is root 2 and O to N it is 1. If I will join this NA, so I will get NA equals to root 3. I have proved here from this example. So here root 3. NA equals to root 3. Now NA is the hypotenuse of NOA. So now the value of NA I am going to plot on the number line itself. So with the help of compass I will measure NA and I have to take from O to on the number line itself. So here my point will come, for example, here this one will be what? B. So here I can write NA equals to root 3. Same value of NA I have taken as a OB. So I will write here OB equals to root 3. This is what? Understand? Now I got OB as the base and ON as the height or perpendicular. So if we'll talk about in the right angle triangle, this one will be root 3 and this one will be 1. Then what will happen about this hypotenuse? Let's check. Square root of p square plus b square, and this one is height. P square means what? 1 square, and b square means root 3 square. So this is what? 1 plus 3, that is what? Square root of 4 equals to we know 2, right? If I will take root 3 as the base and 1 is the perpendicular, then I will get the hypotenuse as the root 4, that is what? 2. So here simply what I will do, from O to B it is root 3, O to N it is 1, I will simply join this NB. So I will get NB equals to root 4, that is what? 2. So here I will write O to C. I need to take OC as the 2. So here N to B I will measure by compass and I will cut it from O. Then I will get this point. This is what? C is the 2 here. So I will write here OC equals to only 2, or we can write root 4. This is what? Now next I am going to find out what? Root 5. See here, I got here OC equals to 2 and ON equals to 1. Then in a right angle triangle, if the base become 2 and the height become 1, what will happen about the hypotenuse? Then we can take x equals to p square plus b square. P means what? 1 square. B square means 2 square. Now square root. So 1 plus 4 square root, that is what? Square root of 5. If I take the base as 2 and the height as 1, then definitely I will get the hypotenuse as root 5. So here O to C already 2 is there. In this case you can take with the help of compass also. What is the length you have taken? OM twice you have to take, and OL once you have to take. Then also you can get the root 5. But here already by default we got what 2 as the value, so no need to cut twice by the compass. So here simply I have to join what NC. So this one is Nm is root 2, Na equals to root 3 and Nb equals to 2. Now Nc, what do you mean by Nc? Nc is root 5, so this one will be root 5. Now this value of a root 5 I have to take on the number line itself. So I have to measure NC with the help of a compass and I have to take it from OC. Then here this one will come D. This D point is what? Root 5. So here I have taken NC equals to root 5. Then here OD equals to root 5. This is what NC is on the hypotenuse and OD will be on the number line. So here I will get OD as root 5. This is what. Now see here, I got OD as the root 5 and ON is what? 1. So again you have to check in a right angle triangle, if the base will be root 5 and the perpendicular is 1, then what will be the hypotenuse? We can check it. So here H equals to P square plus B square. So P square means 1 square, B square means root 5 square. So here 1 square means 1, root 5 square means only 5. So this one will be what? Root 6. Right? I will get what? H equals to root 6. So when I will join ND, that value will be what? Root 6, because the base is already given. OD is root 5 and O1 equals to 1. So when base become root 5, height become 1, then hypotenuse will be definitely root 6. So simply I have to join this O in O and D and D. So this one will be my root 6. Only once you have to construct the 90 degree, then you will get 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 all the things. So here now ND, what will be ND? ND will be root 6. So I have written here root 6. If the hypotenuse in NOD, ND equals to root 6, I have to put the value of ND on the number line itself. So with the help of compass, I have to measure it ND and I have to take from O. So here this one will be E. So here OE equals to root 6 and here ND equals to as well as root 6. Now here if you will see, OE is root 6 and ON is 1. What will happen about NE? Let's check. You have to check one by one. Your perpendicular is already 1 and base you got how much? Root 6. Then with the help of Pythagoras theorem, P square plus B square, that is P square means what? 1 square, B square means root 6 square, then 1 square is 1, root 6 square is what? Only 6. Then I got what? 7, root 7. If the base will be root 6 and the perpendicular will be 1, then I will get very easily root 7. So here simply if I will join this line, that is N to E, this will be my root 7. Right? Without any doubt we can write like this, root 7. Because in this triangle NOE, OE equals to root 6 and ON equals to 1. So the hypotenuse NE will be what? Root 7. So I will write here NE. This one will be ND. Right? ND equals to root 6. Then here NE equals to root 7. So same NE I have to cut on the number line itself. So with the help of compass we can take NE and from O to F we can cut as a what? Root 7. So root 7 can be copied from O. So this one will be F. So here I can write N equals to root 7 or OF equals to root 7. Got it now? And if you have to construct individual for 1 1, then for root 7 what you can take? You can take root 5 as base or 2, root 2 as the perpendicular, then also can be drawn, right? So this is one. Another one, you can take 4 units as the base and 3 units as the perpendicular, then also can be drawn. But on the one number line, if you have to plot all the things, then it can be easily very well find out only one constructions: root 2, root 3, 2, root 5, root 6, root 7. Like that you can go forward and forward. Like, thank you very much everyone.